Hi guys, so today I'm going to review this gel polish for you. I have a 10% off code down below if you don't want to buy anything from the Born Pretty store site as well. So this gel polish comes in 10ml size. You can choose from the different colours. This one I've picked is called Destiny Fairy, and it's a gorgeous peacock holographic. It's absolutely stunning. Now it does recommend that you shake this well before use, so I have already done that off camera. Now obviously if you're applying it to your natural nails you'd want to do a base coat first. I'm just going to do it on this swatch stick, so no base coat. I've also read that it is UV or LED compatible. I'm going to be putting it in at my LED lamp for 30 seconds. I can't believe all the colours are actually coming off this. I'm looking at the camera lens and I feel that you're just really seeing the purpley blue tones, and what I'm seeing in, right in front of me is more green toned. So when I put my hand underneath you do see there's a little bit of sparseness to it, but the coverage is good. So I'm going to pop that in the lamp now for 30 seconds. Again, I really can't get over the colours that are coming through on this polish, and it's definitely gone opaque on the second coat. I'm going to cure it again. So that's finished curing for the last time. I'm now removing the tacky layer. I really hope the colour comes across for you on the camera. I'll try my best to take as many pictures as possible to show this. This colour is absolutely stunning. I am in love with it. There is another, I want to say there's at least 8 or 10 different colours total in the range. So certainly I would be looking at getting some more of these. These are really, really nice. I think it would look great if you were certainly going somewhere sunny and you had this on your toes or even your hands. So yeah, I really like it. Good product in my opinion. I'll leave the link down below to where you can find this polish along with obviously the other colours available. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.